Hi everyone, I'm Jules Ramos. Today we're going to talk about the Philippines' journey towards independence during the American period. Let's dive into how Filipinos pushed for freedom and the key moments that brought them closer to it. When the United States took over the Philippines in 1898, after the Spanish-American War, Filipinos immediately started pushing for their independence. They had fought for freedom from Spain, and now they wanted the same from America. But the US wasn't ready to let go just yet. Instead, American officials began appointing Filipinos to important government positions, hoping that would quiet the call for independence. That began to change when Francis Burton Harrison became Governor General in 1913. His appointment under President Woodrow Wilson set the stage for the Jones Law, passed in 1916. This law, known as the Philippine Autonomy Law, promised that America would grant the Philippines independence, but only once a stable government was in place. Although no exact date was given, for Filipino leaders like Manuel Quezon and Sergio Osmeña, that promise was a huge step forward. It wasn't independence yet, but it was a clear commitment. Around the same time, the Retirement Act of 1915 helped speed up the process. It encouraged American officials to step down, offering financial packages for those willing to leave their positions. This opened the door for Filipinos to take over key roles in government, except for a few high-level positions like Governor General. Most government jobs were now being filled by Filipinos. Filipino politicians took over top cabinet roles, lawyers joined the Supreme Court, and soon, all 45 provinces had Filipino governors. Over 800 towns were now being led by Filipino mayors. The Jones Law also created a Philippine Congress. For the first time, Filipino lawmakers had real power to shape the future of the country. Quezon became the Senate President, and Osmeña led the House of Representatives. In these positions, Filipinos were proving they could run their own government, laying the groundwork for full independence. For Filipinos, these changes were more than just political shifts. They were symbols of progress and hope. They believed it wouldn't be long before America recognized that they had met the conditions of the Jones Law, and the dream of the independence would finally be a reality.